Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this class, I explain about the most important, interesting topic, cockroach. In this cockroach is the first year geology, 7th chapter. Every exam, every annual exam, IP exam is the most important essay is the cockroach digestive system. So everybody is know digestion and digestive system. So in this class I tell about the cockroach. So how to identify the male and female cockroach? What is the difference between male cockroach and female cockroach? I tell about this class. So first of all, cockroach digestive system. Cockroach digestive system. First form of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. You know what is alimentary canal? Alimentary canal means the participated are included into mouth to anus. Mouth to anus. Mouth to anus is called alimentary canal. So basically is the cockroach alimentary canal. This is the long tube like structure and some of coil like structure also. Coil like structure is called alimentary canal. So means mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crab, gigot, hepatic cake, mesenteron, malphizian tubes, ileum, colon, rectum. These are involved to the alimentary canal. So this is called alimentary canal. So the basically is the cockroach alimentary canal as divide to the three parts. Divide to the three parts. First is the foregut, and next is the midgut, and third is the hindgut. This is called alimentary canal. So first is the foregut, including of foregut, mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crab, gigot. So this is called foregut. So the basically is the food is taken to the mouth, the lid and turn and open to the buccal cavity. So this buccal cavity is the mechanism, and next part are open to the pharynx. This is the pharynx is tube-like structure. This mechanism is the participated of development of the digestion. The pharynx and next lid and turn open to the esophagus. The esophagus is the tube-like, is the form of smooth muscle. The esophagus and lid and turn open to the crab. This is the stitchable and balloon-like structure, and distinguishable part is the crab. Is the most of the function of crab is the storage of meals, storage of food or reserve of the food is called crab. This below of the crab is the form of bowl like structure, and thick organ, thick part is called gigot. Gigot is main function are including to the alimentary canal. The gigot is the form of 6 to 8 powerful teeth is including of gigot. So what is the function of teeth? These teeth are is the function, is the mix and grinding of mills. Grinding of mills and slaves. This is the function of the gigot. This gigot is the included into the foregut. So first is the foregut or participated mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crab, gigot. These are called foregut. So the mouth is the taken to the food. The mouth and lid are open to the buccal cavity. The buccal cavity, lid and open to the pharynx. Pharynx is the form of smooth muscle. The pharynx and lid and turn on open to the esophagus. Esophagus is the small tube-like structure. Is the form of smooth muscle in esophagus and open to the is the mechanism and digestion on crab. This is the crab is the organ, is the balloon-like structure and distinguishable organ. The crab and storage of food and reservoir of the food. This crab and next to mechanism of the digestion. This crab are open to the gigot. This gigot is the included to the 6 to 8 powerful teeth. 6 to 8 powerful teeth. This teeth is the help of grinding of food materials. Grinding of food materials and slaves is the help of the gigot. In the next part of the gigot is the completed by the first foregut mechanism. So next is the midgut. Next one is the midgut. Midgut means is the middle part of the digestion, and midgut or mesenteron or ventricles. These are three types of names is there. Midgut or mesenteron or ventricles. Midgut or mesenteron or ventricles. So the midgut is the participated or parts is hepatic cane, or mesenteron is the two parts. In this mechanism the foregut are involved to the mesenteron. So mesenteron. In this mesenteron are functionally as divide to the two parts, secretory ports and absorption port. Secretory ports and absorption port. The secretory ports means the mesenteron is the form of different types of body ports, means releasing of enzymes glands. So in the mesenteron is first to secretory organs as linked to the enzymes. This mechanism of digestion, the enzymes is help of the metabolic process. Metabolism process means digestion of food items in the proteins, fats, carbohydrates in the secretory ports. The secretory ports is the one of the mesenteron ports. So next absorption. So the complete of the secretion ports and totally digestion of food items. So next, what is the function? Next, absorption port. So the absorption of the food material, to the peritoneum or cockroach. Cockroach is the Periplaneta americana scientific name. So this is the absorption, means is the totally digestion of food items is the reach to the tissue level is called absorption. And is the absorption port is the releasing of energy, as releasing to the energy. Is the next port is the indgut. So what is the remaining ports? Indguts, Malpighian tubes and ileum and colon and rectum. Ileum, colon, rectum are called indgut. So remaining elementary canal ports are called indgut. So ileum, colon, rectum. These is three ports are called included into the indgut. Another port is there. These are called Malpighian tubes. Is the 6 to 8 Malpighian tubes are below of the mesenteron or mesenteric canes. Is the malphizian tubes is the yellowish color there, is the thread-like structure, is the smooth form. In the yellowish color is the main function of the malphizian tubes is the wastage is removed to the outside of the body, is called excretory organs. Excretory organs is the function of the malphizian tubes. The 6 to 8 bundles are there. 6 to 8 bundles. So next, this mechanism is the illum and column rectum. The illum is the lead and turn open to the column. Column is the reabsorb the food materials and water and turn open to the rectum. Rectum is the end part of the alimentary canal, is the remove of the outside of the wastage in our body. This is the alimentary canal of the cockroach or Periplanet americana and digestive system of the cockroach. This is the most important question of the essay question in the annual exam purpose. So easily process is the foregut, midgut, hindgut, 3 reasons in the cockroach. So first one question is there, how to identify the male or female cockroach. So the male cockroach is the abdomen part. Abdomen part is the totally is the closed way, and female cockroach is the abdomen part is the width size, is the increase the width. These are easily identify the male or female. Thank you.